Hello friends, get ready for progressive dictation. Okay, start. I am glad to learn the society has already set up and has plans to set up more cultural centers in important cities, schools, and colleges, orphanages, health centers, industrial and handicraft ventures, including khadi and village industries, and various other schemes, all intended to eradicate poverty and illiteracy. I have no hesitation in applauding these ventures, and I hope such efforts at self help will receive all the support and encouragement they deserve from all quarters. Para. A new resilience in respect of education of the Muslims is now in evidence in southern, central, and western India. Muslim educational organizations in these parts of the country are showing a new dynamism, and those who are presiding over these matters must be congratulated. It is of utmost importance that the new educational institutions are operated with revised syllabi, with an emphasis on up to dateness and social relevance. A large volume of resources has yet to be poured into the Muslim educational system, and a high degree of coordination is necessary both through the efforts of the government and efforts made by numerous community organizations. Para. On the question of resources, I would like to say that while community philanthropy would play a very major role, the resources of Muslim works and trusts would have to be geared increasingly to educational and technological skill formation. The emphasis has to shift from the study of arts and languages to technological, especially those that are in great demand in the modern world. Example, various types of engineering and applied sciences. This itself will generate the scientific temper which Muslims require so much in any future formation of Muslim works. The works would do well to bear in mind that the benefits of Waqf assets should accrue not merely to individuals but to the Muslim community as a whole. The Waqf deeds must therefore take care of this factor and endow large funds for investment in man, that is, in the technological skill formation of the Muslims. It is better for any community to train its young people in specialities which are in high demand, so that various prejudices which float around in any society are overcome, and a high state of demand guarantees full employment. Para. Efforts should also be made to see with a slight adjustment the resources of the existing Muslim works can be geared more to education and skill formation among Muslim youth. This may require suitable changes in the law of works. Stop. If you like this dictation, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.